Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today we're cooking something a little spicy and wholesome, Mooli Ke Thepale. When there's a surplus of radish, mooli, in the market and are available at lower prices, that's the perfect time to buy them in bulk and enjoy this dish in the early evening or late afternoon. Mooli is commonly eaten as a salad or cooked as a vegetable, but it's also used to make delicious thepale. If you're someone who doesn't always enjoy a full thali every day and wants a little break, thepale is the perfect dish to add some spice and variety to your meals. Here's everything we'll need to make Mooli Ke Thepale. As always, keep every ingredient ready because adding them in the right balance is the key to perfect taste. Please take a look at the image for the exact quantities. Describing them alone may not give the same precision if something is missing. We'll be using fennel seeds, garam masala, coriander powder, salt, hing, ajwain seeds, white till, sesame, turmeric powder, and chili powder, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped chilies, and crushed ginger and garlic, shredded mooli, radish, along with besan, gram flour, rice flour, wheat flour, jowar, and bajra. And for a traditional touch, we're using cardal leaves, Indian short leaves, as a base for rolling the thepale. Now let us see step-by-step process for making Mooli Ke Thepale. 1. Prepare the mooli. Remove excess water from the shredded radish. Make small balls of shredded mooli. Squeeze them firmly to remove water content and repeat for all shredded mooli. 2. Mix aromatics. Loosen the squeezed mooli in a vessel. Combine fresh aromatics of ginger, garlic, coriander, and chilies with the radish. Mix thoroughly. Three. Add spices. Incorporate dry spices for flavor. Add fennel seeds, garam masala, coriander powder, salt, hing, ajwain seeds, sesame seeds, turmeric powder, and chili powder. Mix well. Four. Add flours. Combine flours to form the base dough. Add wheat, jowar, bajra, besan, and rice flours. Mix evenly with the spiced mooli. Five. Adjust consistency. Ensure the dough binds together smoothly. Mix until all ingredients are well combined. Add a little water if the mixture feels too dry. Six. Prepare the leaf base. Use a cardal, Indian short, leaf for traditional rolling. Apply a little oil on the leaf. Place it flat on your working surface. 7. Shape the dough ball. Form the mixture into a round ball. Take a handful of the prepared mixture. Roll it into a ball and place it on the oiled leaf. 8. Flatten the thepale. Make the dough circular and thin. Use your hand or a balun, rolling pin. Flatten it evenly into a circular shape. Nine. Switch on the gas stove. Preheat the pan. Ensure the pan is hot before cooking. Add a few drops of oil for preheating. Lift the thepla using the leaf and place the flattened thepla on the pan. Place it gently on the preheated pan. Remove the leaf carefully. Ten. Ensure both sides are cooked evenly. Add a few drops of oil on the thepla. Spread oil using a silicone brush. Turn the thepla with a spatula. (11) Finish cooking. Cook until golden brown spots appear. Apply oil to the other side. Heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Look for a brownish tinge on both sides. (12) Serve hot. Enjoy thepla with accompaniments. Serve with curd, pickle, and chili. Best enjoyed hot and fresh. Mooli Ke Thepale taste will leave you wanting for more, and we are sure one is just not enough. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel for such videos, share it with your friends and family, eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.